Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making banana bread. Instead of turning on the oven and heating up the house, we are going to bake this banana bread up in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 very ripe bananas. The more ripe they are, the better. With a fork, I'm going to mash these bananas up. Bananas are all mashed up. I'm going to move this to the side. All right, our next step, we are going to take 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And to our sugar, we're going to add half a stick of softened unsalted butter, which is half a cup. Take my hand mixer and mix this butter and sugar until it's nice and creamy. All right, the sugar and butter are all creamed together. I will have the list of all the ingredients down in the description for you. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of milk. Give this a quick little mix. Now we're going to add 2 eggs and mix that in. Now we're going to add the mashed bananas. Now we are ready to add our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I added 1 teaspoon each of salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Now I'm going to mix this in. If you wanted to add chocolate chips or chopped nuts, now is the time to add that. I am going to add 1/2 of a cup of chopped walnuts. You're going to need a loaf pan that's going to fit into your air fryer. I picked these up at Walmart. I think this is a 9 by 5. And I have a couple of smaller ones here. And before we add the batter to our pans, we want to spray it with some cooking oil spray. Now we are ready to add the batter to our pan. All right, we are ready to pop this into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm starting that timer off for 30 minutes. Our 30 minutes is up. Now let's check this out. I'm going to take a toothpick and insert it. If it comes out clean, it is done. There's just a little bit on there. I'm going to put it in right here. All right, we're going to have to go a little longer. I think what I'm going to do though, I am going to bump that temperature down because I don't want this top to get burnt. Okay, I bumped the temperature down to 310 degrees Fahrenheit, and I just set the timer for 10 more minutes. I'll let you know the total cooking time. It has been a total of 40 minutes. Remember, the last 10 minutes, I bumped that temperature down to 310 degrees Fahrenheit. I will take the loaf out of this air fryer basket. Let this cool completely before taking the banana bread out of the loaf pan. Hey, Jim is here today, so he is going to be taking the taste test. I got his ready with all that butter, but I'm going to show you this one without first.
That looks good. Mmm, that's good bread.
Not dried up or anything,
No,
is
it's
it?
very moist, tender, good flavor. Mmm, it's good.
So I hope you liked this video today, and if you are looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more I think you would like to watch next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.